What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna have a quick look at Matic. Currently, we're sitting at 60 cents, 0.60. We're sitting at a market cap of 4.68 billion. 24-hour volume, 662 million. So if we look at Matic here on the 1 hour time frame, we've broken out from a symmetrical triangle to the downside. We are in a technical target down to about 51 cents. As you can see here, we finally broke this level of support, and we've currently had a throwback up into that level. We got rejected. We rolled out once again. So what we may see here for Matic is we push up once again to retest that level, get rejected, and continue to roll. If it breaks that level, then you can see a retest of the symmetrical triangle and then begin to roll. I'd be quite surprised to see Matic break out back to the upside. I do think Bitcoin has quite a bit more downside to come here, but if Bitcoin were to push up to 33 to 34K, of course Matic would follow suit. But as of right now, we've broken down from a bearish pattern. If you're seeing this as a bear pennant, let me quickly open up the 4 hour time frame. What you can do is measure a flagpole and take it to the point of breakout, and that would take Matic all the way down to that support I've been mentioning at about 35 cents. So if we pop over to our next chart here on the daily, I've been talking about our Elliott wave theory from our peak here at about what price was that, around that $3 range, 291, and how we've had our impulsive wave 1, our corrective wave 2, descending triangle, impulsive wave 3. Right now we've gone through an ABC correction, as you can see here. If I open this up, I'll throw it onto the 4 hour time frame. We've gone ABC, and I do believe this could be your first impulsive wave within your larger wave 5, bringing you down to that 30 cent mark. Impulsive wave 1, there's your corrective wave 2, ABC correction, and now we're looking for that wave 3. Corrective wave 4 and the final wave 5 within the larger 5th wave. That brings you down to that 33 cent price target, which is a level of support here for our friend Matic. 33, 32 cents, that swing low, and I do think Matic is coming down to that level. Now the bullish scenario, we'll pop back over to this chart here, is that we create a double bottom. So if I open this up on the 4 hour, the bullish scenario here for Matic is that we're creating a massive double bottom reversal pattern. We push up, we break out, and we see a massive breakout back to the upside. I don't think it's a likely scenario, but it's always a possibility, and that could take Matic all the way up to about $1.03. I do think Bitcoin is going to come down. It's just going through a wave 4 correction right now, in my opinion. We could push up to 33 to 34,000, which then you would see that large push for Matic. But as of right now, Matic has broken down out of this pattern. So especially if we lose this low at about 54 cents, that's when you're going to start to come down to that 30 cent price target in between about 33 to 40 cents for Matic. That's basically it for this one. Just a small little update here. Just watch this support here coming in around that 54, 55 cent. If it is lost, we are coming down. We've already started to break down. So if Bitcoin loses 28.6, I'll definitely be looking to take some major shorts, and I'll definitely be looking to short some alts down to lower price targets. Big shout out to today's video sponsor, Crypto.com. They have their incredible Visa card where you can earn cash back in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives. They also have their incredible DeFi wallet where I stake all of my Crow, as well as incredible staking on Atom. We got about 12% on Crow, 15% on Atom, and you receive $25 just for signing up through my referral. And don't forget about Crypto Earn, where you can stake your coins and earn 8% on your stable coins, as well as 12.5% on Matic, 12.5% on Polkadot. It is the world's fastest crypto growing app, and you can sign up through the top comment and receive $25 for free just for signing up through my referral. Of course, big shout out to the Discord, over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and you can get my exact entries, stop losses, take profits, my trade signals coming into the $10 membership. You really can't beat it. You can sign up through the Patreon. That is it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.